In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view historical sprint reports in Jira and analyze past sprint performance like a pro. If you want to improve forecasting, spot delivery patterns, and run stronger retrospectives, looking back at completed sprints is essential. Jira makes this much easier by giving you built-in reporting tools and powerful search options, all inside the same workspace. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Atlassian site or sign in through the official Atlassian login page. Once you're in, wait for the main homepage to load fully, then open the Scrum project you want to review. Starting from the correct project matters because the reports you see will be tied to that board and its sprint history. After you're inside the project workspace, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and find the option labeled Reports. Click that once to open Jira's reporting area. This is where Jira gathers its built-in analytics tools, including sprint-based reporting, issue analysis, and forecasting views. Next, in the Reports area, look for the Agile section and select Sprint Report. When you open it, Jira will launch the Sprint Report dashboard for that board. By default, it usually shows the current sprint or the most recently completed sprint. So if you want to inspect older data, you'll need to change the selected sprint manually. Go to the upper left area of the report page and open the Sprint Selection dropdown. You'll see a chronological list of completed sprints. Scroll through that list, choose the sprint you want to review, and click it. As soon as you do, Jira refreshes the report and loads the historical data for that specific sprint. Once the report appears, scroll through it carefully. Pay close attention to the burn down chart, which helps you understand how work progressed over time and whether scope changed during the sprint. This is often the fastest way to see delays, blockers, or unusual workload shifts. Then review the completed issues section, where you can see which items reached done, along with their issue keys and planned work details. Keep scrolling to the issues removed from sprint section as well, since that can reveal mid-sprint scope changes that may have affected delivery. If you want a faster alternative for broader analysis, switch to Jira's advanced search and use JQL. Change the search mode to JQL and enter this query: project equals your project key and sprint in closed sprints, and status equals done ordered by resolved descending. This gives you a clean, historical view of completed sprint work without opening reports one by one. Before you finish, do a quick validation pass. Make sure you're looking at the correct project, the right sprint, accurate issue statuses, and story point totals that appear consistent. A final review helps ensure your report is clean and ready for retrospectives, stakeholder updates, or delivery analysis. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.